So, as a patient, you're gonna walk up to the front door, and here on the right side, we have your instructions. You're just gonna scan this QR code. So let me open up my pictures here, my camera. So with the camera, you hover over it. It opens this Safari link. You follow that link and it's going to prompt you. It's gonna prompt you to download the app. So once you get to the App Store, you press the cloud. As you can see, I have an iPhone, and there is instructions for an Android and an iPhone. Both, you just open the app and click open, and it will start downloading. Go ahead and create your account if you don't already have one. Enter the email address that you gave us with your profile, and from there, enter in all your personal information. If you already downloaded the app, go ahead and use it just to check in. And then we're gonna walk back to our car and wait until we are called to be seen inside. We're just trying to limit as much contact as we can, keep everybody safe, okay?
So I'm gonna be your test patient for today, and I just received a phone call from the office letting me know that they are ready to come in they're ready for me to come in for my appointment. If you guys do have masks, it's 100% okay for you guys to come in the office with them. So now as I've entered the building, I'm gonna go straight to the restroom. I am going to wash my hands for 20 seconds, and then I'm also going to do a peroxide solution and rinse my mouth out in the sink. Just make sure you clean that all out when you're done. From there, one of the dental assistants will do a contactless temperature check on me. We'll most likely have that done right here in the lobby. You'll be the only person here, but our dental assistant will come out, greet you, take your temperature, and just ask you a couple of brief questions. These questions you may be already familiar with because they are on the COVID questionnaire. And then from there, you'll go directly into your patient care room.
All right, I am ready for my patient, and I'm gonna bring them in using the necessary and proper protocol for our office, okay? Hi, Miss Thomas, how are you today? Were you able to rinse with the diluted solution and wash your hands for me?
Yes, I did.
Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick temperature for you. I'm gonna hover, and I'm going to read. If the temperature is higher than we are expecting, I'm gonna have my patient sit out front while I discuss with the doctor. If everything looks good, like it does, come on back and have a seat for me right here. Gonna glove up and take my blood pressure reading and my normal vital signs like I would with any normal exam or procedure. All right, how are you feeling today, Miss Thomas? Everything going well? All right, and while her blood pressure is being taken, I'm going to enter all my notes into my chart, just like I normally. All right, so just to specify, I want to go over the protocol that we're using. We are practicing social distancing as well as putting barrier down on all of our items so that we don't cross-contaminate. All of these things get removed after each patient and wiped down. So we have sensor sleeves for our x-ray sensor, intraoral camera barriers, as well as barriers on all of our keyboards and mice, because mouses is not a word. But after each patient, we take x-rays. We are wiping everything down. We have barriers for the bite blocks that get replaced after each patient. We are lysoling down all of our chairs and removing each headrest cover for each patient. And once I'm done in here taking x-rays, we also have our x-ray lead vest that we wipe down and spray down after each patient just to keep you protected. Once we're done taking x-rays in here, I will pass my patient on to another assistant to get treatment started. And while they're starting treatment, I'm wiping all this stuff down. All right, so once we get into our treatment room, this is what you'll see. We'll have 1 or 2 assistants in full PPE, glasses, face shields, face masks, gowns, and we'll probably have some surgical caps on too. But once you're in the room, you'll be in here for the duration of your appointment time, and you will take care of everything that you need to take care of in this room to keep the social distancing. Everything has barriers on it like we normally do. All of our handles, lights, and everything has been sterilized and wiped down.
So our goal is to try to take care of everything we can for you in one room. So we're not going to be going from operatory to operatory or different offices. We have tried to implement as much contactless equipment in the office. So when we take your payment, you actually do not have to stick your debit card in our credit card machine. You just tap it on top of the machine and your payment should go right through. We'll also try to schedule your next appointments while you're back here in the room to minimize the exposure of you walking around throughout the entire office. But our main priority is your safety and ours. If you have any questions or concerns about any of the things you've seen in any of these videos, please give us a call. But we definitely look forward to seeing you guys in the next couple of days. We open back up tomorrow, May 1st. So give us a call if you'd like to schedule a dental appointment.
Hola amigos, buenas tardes. Estamos aquí en Braselton Smile Studio. Estamos esperando ya que sea el 1 de mayo. Esta es una pequeña muestra de cómo estamos protegidos con máscara, cubrebocas, nuestro cobertor. Todas nuestras áreas de trabajo están cubiertas, tienen su propio protector y ya estamos listos. Cada protector se cambia un paciente, siguiente paciente, cambiamos todo. Usamos Lysol en todas las barreras que haya. Ya estamos ansiosos de verlos. Nos vemos pronto. Bye bye.
So just to give you an example of what contactless checkout is going to look like, this is your credit card slot, and you are going to take your debit card and you are just going to tap it on the top of that screen. Like this, tap, and you should be good to go. No need to touch the keypad, no need to touch the counter, nothing needs to be touched. Just tap your credit card right at the top of the credit card keypad.